Hi, I'm Anna Burr with Burr Injury Law in Aurora, Colorado. If you've been injured in an accident, one of the most important pieces of your case isn't the police report, and it isn't photos of your car. It's your medical records. Medical records are the backbone of your injury claim. They tell the story of how you were hurt, what kind of treatment you received, and how those injuries impacted your daily life. Here's why they matter so much. First, proving the injury. Insurance companies don't just take your word for it. They want to see documented proof from doctors, hospitals, and therapists that confirm your injuries are real and connected to the accident. Second, they show the extent of the harm. Records detail whether your injury was minor, like a sprain, or something more serious, like a herniated disc or traumatic brain injury. They also track how long recovery takes and whether you'll need ongoing care into the future. Next, they establish causation. Causation is a critical component of a personal injury case, and it's one of the pieces that your attorney looks at most closely. The timing of your treatment is vital. If you wait weeks before seeing a doctor, the insurance company may argue that your injuries weren't caused by the accident. Prompt medical care creates a clear link between the accident and your medical condition. Next, calculating compensation. Medical bills, therapy costs, medications, and even notes about how your injury limit your work and daily activities all go into valuing your case. The stronger and more complete your records, the stronger your claim for fair compensation. That's why I always tell my clients to follow through with their treatment, keep every appointment, and be honest with your providers about how you're feeling. Incomplete or inconsistent records can weaken your case. At the end of the day, the medical records are your voice in the courtroom and across the negotiating table. They give power and credibility to your story. If you have questions about your injury case or you're unsure how your medical treatment will impact your claim, give my office a call. We're here to help. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you next time.